Most Indians lose more money in UK. Not just because UK is expensive, because they do not understand money psychology here in UK. Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Unstoppable Race. And today's topic is the mistakes that will drain your money in UK, and you should never do that. So let's get started. Number one is buying winter jackets from India. Wrong insulation, wrong fabric, wrong weather. You will end up rebuying in UK and then you will end up spending more money. So प्लीज़ आप अपनी विंटर जैकेट्स, विंटर बूट्स यूके आके बाय करो, इंडिया से बाय मत करो. यू विल एंड अप स्पेंडिंग डबल एंड मोर मनी इफ यू विल बाय दिस फ्रॉम इंडिया. Number second is eating outside for 2-3 weeks initially. This will mess up your eating habits. You will end up spending more money. So make sure once you come in UK, first few weeks, days, start preparing food at home. This will build up good habit and save tons of money. Number third is taking random SIM from airport. Trust me, they are most expensive. They will give you rubbish plans and you will end up regretting. Start investing in eSIMs. If you don't want to buy eSIM, that's fine, but buy plans after researching. Do not buy random SIM from airport. You will end up regretting. Number fourth is not checking council tax before signing house. Not all the rents equals to full cost. No, some of them are without the council tax, and council tax are massive money. So make sure that you check how much is your council tax. It is according to the area you are buying house or you are renting the house. So make sure to check that. Number fifth is buying expensive brand initially in UK. You don't have to showcase कि आपके पास कितना पैसा है और आप कितने पैसे के ब्रांड, कौन से ब्रांड में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो. स्लोली स्टार्ट करो, धीरे धीरे अपग्रेड करो अपनी लाइफ को. आपको इनिशियली आते ही अपना लाइफस्टाइल एक्सपोज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. फर्स्ट सेव एंड देन इन्वेस्ट. Number 6 is converting money impulsively. Do not transfer money without checking the rates. First check कि आपको कितने rate मिल रहा है money transfer करने का, and then do it. Do not do these things in impulse. You will regret it. You will waste more money. So do not do that. क्योंकि tiny 2-3 rupees difference will become thousands of pounds in long term. So think smartly and then take the decision. And the last mistake, stop trying to look settled fast. This is girl specific. We try to match England aesthetic too early. Slow down, build stability first and aesthetic later. And please stop buying 37 varieties of oat milk just because UK has it. Stick with basic first. You are not going to opening a cafe, so don't buy too much. Less is more, remember. And one thing that I want to tell you guys here is, whenever आप कुछ जाके buy कर रहे हो, कुछ भी खरीद रहे हो, remind yourself, is this necessity or is this just a want? There is difference between need and want. Once you learn this, you will never waste your money. So avoid these 7 mistakes. Your money plus peace will both survive the England. If you want me to start weekly money saving hacks in UK, comment Smart Girl UK and I will start that series for you. Now go and watch these videos next. What to prepare before coming to UK in India and what to pack when you are coming to UK. And I will keep bringing UK value content to you guys. Start learning from my mistakes and build your life stress free. Thank you for watching till the end and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.